Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to everyone? Can I get the responses please? Okay. All right. Fine. So guys, see, before I proceed for anything, okay. See the class timings. Okay. The class timings is at 7:30. 7:30 p.m. IST. Okay. But we are giving some grace period time of 10 minutes to all the students join the class. Okay. We are just giving some grace period time of 10 minutes to all the students to join the class. Actually, the timing is 7:30 only. So we are just giving some 10 minutes grace period time. After that, we are going to start the class. All right. So the class will not start sharp at 7:30 p.m. Okay. The class will not start sharp at 7:30 p.m. Okay, 7:30 a.m. Sorry, 7:30 a.m. It will start by 7:40, like this approximately. Especially in the initial days. Especially in the initial days, like 8 to 10 days. Okay, I request all the students, to join the class. Okay, max to max by 7:35. Max to max by 7:35. Okay. Initially 8 to 10 days, I'm giving some 10 minutes grace period time. Then after 10 days, I'll start the class by 7:35. Okay. After 15 days, I'll start the class hopefully by 7:30 or else by 7:35 only. Some 5 minutes grace period time I would be giving it. Okay. Is that clear? So it's 7:30 a.m. All right. So next thing, guys, I would like to tell you all, before I proceed further, let me introduce you to myself first. Okay, my name is Gareth. I'm having a total of 14 plus years of experience in IT industry. And currently I'm working in one of the leading MNCs in India as a data solutioning architect for multiple clients. I'm handling a team of 12 members, 11 to 12 members in my organization, wherein, we are designing the solutions for applications, okay, related to data management, data migration, data processing, data loading, data flowing, many things, many roles and responsibilities that I am doing, I am performing along with my team in my current organization. Okay, I have done many certifications in Azure data engineering, in cloud computing especially, and from the beginning, from the scratch to solution architect level. So it's pretty obvious that when you are having 10 plus, 10 plus, 12 plus years of experience, then you have to do a lot of certification to upgrade your skills, right? To upgrade your skills and, to prove that your skills, your competency is absolutely relevant with the market and all. So not only me, most of the people who are having like 10, 12 plus years of experience, they have to do multiple certifications. All right. So I have been recognized as MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Okay. Okay. I have been offered, okay, MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. MCT stands for Microsoft Certified Trainer from Microsoft Corporation. From Microsoft Corporation to deliver the cloud trainings. Deliver the cloud trainings. Okay. So now what is happening here, guys? See, cloud computing is a very big technology. It's a very big platform. Okay. Cloud computing, is a very, very big ocean. It's a very big ocean. Okay. And in this big ocean, we are having multiple certifications or multiple departments or multiple portfolios, whatever is one of the same thing. So first I'll make you understand what it is. See, I'm opening here MS Paint. Okay. First understand this. Guys, please give 100% attention here. Assume that this round circle is your cloud computing. Assume that this is your cloud computing. Okay. This is a cloud computing. Now, inside this cloud computing technology, inside this cloud computing platform, we are having multiple certifications. Okay, one certification we are having called DevOps. One certification we are having called Azure Data Engineering. One certification we are having Azure Admin. One certification we are having Azure Containerization. Okay. One certification we are having, Azure Machine Learning plus AI plus ML. It is AI plus ML. Okay. Like this, we are having multiple different certifications. One, we are having Azure Solutions Architect. Okay. These are the different certifications we are having in Azure Cloud Computing. In Azure Cloud Computing. So among all these things, we are going to learn what Azure Data Engineering. We are going to learn Azure Data Engineering here. Okay. If you want to learn DevOps, then you have to join Azure DevOps course. If you want to learn Azure Administration, then you have to join Azure Administration course, Azure Admin course. Same Azure Containerization, Azure AI plus ML. Okay. Azure Solutions Architect. Next, we are having blockchain, IoT. Have you heard about IoT? Internet of Things. All the latest technologies. Okay. So like this, we are having multiple certifications. You can call it as multiple departments. You can call it as, or multiple portfolios. You can call it as your choice. So here, our course is what? Our course is Azure plus Azure Data Engineering. This is our course, and that is this one. This we are going to learn. And all the concepts, all topics, okay, all labs we are going to do in cloud computing. We are going to do in a cloud computing. All concepts, all topics, all scenarios, everything we are going to do in cloud computing only. We are going to do in cloud computing only. Okay, fine. Is that clear? Because nowadays every project, every single project, okay, every single project from any company is trying to develop, migrate, deploy, and build in cloud computing only. In cloud computing only. Okay. Is that clear? So that's why we are also learning every single thing in cloud computing only. Okay. Installing softwares in laptops and doing the labs in your laptops and all. Now those days are gone now. Those days are gone now. Now what we are doing the things in cloud computing, and we are taking the help of, we are taking an assistance of AI. Now we have started using AI, artificial intelligence, for all our work related work related stuff. Okay, how to implement that, how to develop these, how to build all these things. We are taking an assistance of AI now. Okay, 3-4 years back, we used to take the help of Google. Correct. 3-4 years back, we have to do all the labs in the laptop, installing the softwares, taking the frameworks and all. Now, all the labs, everything, every single concept, we are going to implement in cloud computing only. We are going to implement in cloud computing only. Okay, is that clear, guys? So, what I'm trying to say here now, okay, there are many things, many certifications we are having like this. Okay, if you learn this certification, okay, if you learn this certification, obviously you are going to put in your resume that you know Azure data engineering concepts. So whenever the companies who are having requirement in Azure data engineering, okay, they will call you, they will take your interview on Azure data engineering, and they will place you in any of the projects. Okay, what are the roles and responsibilities of Azure data engineer? That I'll tell slowly, step by step. Slowly, step by step, I'll tell. I'll tell step by step slowly here. So Azure data engineering concepts we are going to cover. We are going to learn in detail in cloud computing. In cloud computing. Okay, fine, guys. So now I'll tell you one thing. Okay. See what is happening here. The classes will be for 1 hour daily. Okay. After the class, okay, we'll take up the questions and answers session. We'll take up the question and answer sessions after the class. Okay. The class timing daily is 7:30, but we'll start the class by 7:40. Just 10 minutes grace period time. 10 minutes grace period time. Okay, fine. The classes is from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, the classes will be. Okay, fine. And you will be getting the complete syllabus. You'll be getting the complete syllabus of all the concepts or topics that we are going to cover. Okay. And 95% of the syllabus will cover by labs and with real-time scenarios. 95% of the syllabus will cover by labs and with real-time scenarios. Okay, guys, my way of teaching, okay, is completely practicals. Completely practicals. Okay. And if you are, guys, let me talk first. Give me some time. Let me talk first. Then I will take up the question and answers. So I believe many of the questions I'm just addressing here in this point itself only. So have some patience. Okay, I'll address the questions. No worries. Okay, fine. Fine. So what I was saying here, see, my way of, yeah. So what I'm trying to say here is, okay, completely practicals. I'm going to teach all the concepts completely practical. And if you are, okay, if you are new to IT industry, if you are a fresher, okay, then this course is relevant for you. This course is relevant for you. Okay. If you don't know, any programming language, if you don't know any programming language, okay, you are completely a new person to IT, then this course is relevant for you because we are starting every concept from the scratch. From the scratch, we are starting every single concept. We are starting from the scratch. Okay. See, I have mentioned here very clearly, there are no prerequisites. There are no prerequisites to, okay, take this course. Everything we are starting from the scratch. That's why there are no prerequisites to take this course. Okay. Absolutely like a fresher, like a beginner, you can start. Okay, fine. The duration of this course is 45 to 50 days. In between 45 to 50 days. In between 45 to 50 days. The duration of this course is. Okay, fine. And the thing here is you need to have a laptop and an internet connection to do the labs. Okay, minimum laptop is also sufficient. Like you are having a laptop 4 GB RAM and two virtual CPUs with 200 GB hard disk. This is also sufficient. Minimum laptop, because mostly all the labs you are going to do in cloud computing only, in cloud platform only. That's why any heavy softwares, any heavy libraries, any heavy frameworks, okay, which is occupying lot of space like 15, 20 GB like SAP, like .NET, like Java, no, not required. Because everything we are doing here in the cloud platform only, portal.azure.com. Here you are going to do this platform. I'll show how to create an account in this platform. What is this platform? I'll give you the complete walkthrough of this platform also. No worries. Okay, fine, guys. So the next point here is you are going to, okay, I'll just put it in the form of points. Okay, first, guys, please listen carefully. Don't ask me the same repeated questions. Okay, in these points, I'm covering most of your questions. Okay, please see these points carefully. Don't write it down. Okay, everything is getting recorded. You will get all the video recordings. You will get all the video recordings. Don't write anything. Just give 100% concentration to the class. Okay. Yes, right. So you are going to, okay, you are going to take up two certifications. You can take two certifications from this course or after the end of the course, after the end of this course. What is the two certifications you can take? You can take AZ 900. This is Azure Fundamentals. And then one more certification you can take, that is DP 203. This is what? Azure Data Engineering. These two certifications you can take up after this course. Okay. You are going to get the material. Okay. Soft copy. Material, soft copy. Okay. Then what else you are going to get? You are going to get the classes recordings. Then you are going to get the assignments. Then you are going to get the, okay, certification dumps. Certification dumps. Which certification? Azure Data Engineering certification dumps and Azure Fundamentals certification dumps. Okay, you are going to get the POCs, proof of concepts, like kind of mini life projects for your hands-on and understanding. Okay. Then next you are going to get sample resumes, mention the complete roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities. Okay. Sample resume. These resumes are all ready. Just you have to put your name, your details and all. That's it. Everything is ready-made, will be given to you, mentioning with the projects, what you have done, what responsibilities you have done in your current organization or in your previous organization. If you want to mention some experience and all, okay, fine. The other point, okay, if you have done all the labs, what I'm going to show, if you have done all the labs, all the material reading, okay, all the assignments, okay, then you can put up to 3 years of experience. 3 years of experience, you can put it with this course curriculum, provided you would be doing all the labs, all the material reading, okay, all the assignments, what I'm giving, okay, all these things, if you have done thoroughly, end to end, line by line, with serious preparation, then you can put up to 3 years of experience also in your resume. How to put in resume experience and everything, I'll give you that sample resumes also. Certification dumps, I'll give you for your certifications. Okay. You are going to get all these things, guys. All these things you are going to get one by one. Okay. As we proceed further. As we proceed further. Okay. And one more important thing. See, there is, okay, there is not much. programming involve in Azure data engineering. Okay. We are using some commands like, we are going to use some SQL commands. We are going to use some Python commands. Okay. We are going to mostly use commands only. So commands is something like, if you remember, okay, if you have set up, then your work will be done. Okay. We are using PySpark. We are using PySpark also. Okay. So these commands we are using here. So it's very easy. Just you have to remember. That's it. Like a developer, you are not going to write a very big programs in data engineering. In data engineering, you are not going to write a very big programs. So if you are not having any programming language knowledge, if you don't know any programming language, still no need to worry. Okay. I'll train you on these commands also, how to write these commands and all. Most of the things, okay, we are doing with the configurations in Azure Data Engineering. Most of the things we are doing with the Azure Data Engineering. There is a not much programming involved. Okay, there is not much programming involved. We are going to learn all the services of Azure Data Engineering in cloud computing. In this course, we are going to learn all the services of cloud computing, which belongs to Azure Data Engineering. Okay, guys, is this points making clear or not to you? It is for 2 years. Ravi, it is for 2 years. The validity and certification will be for 2 years. Then after that, you have to renew it. Okay. No. Murali, PowerShell, we are not covering here. Okay. We are covering PySpark, we are covering Python, and we are covering SQL. We are covering SQL. See, I'll tell you one thing, Murali. See, okay, if you take a person who is having, let us take 5 years of experience. If you take a person who is having 5 years of experience, okay, or 10 years of experience also, okay, then he cannot say he is having idea or knowledge on all programming languages. Simply he is lying. He is lying. No one knows all the programming languages. Data engineers mostly deal with SQL. Data engineers mostly deals with SQL, but when we are working on Azure Azure Databricks, okay, Azure Synapse Analytics, okay, here we need Python scripting. Here we need Python commands that I'll show you, that I'll teach you. No worries. If you don't know anything in Python also, no need to worry. Okay. So definitely there I'm going to teach you guys. Okay. We are covering many concepts we are covering here, but these are very few basic things. Okay. Simhadri, Simhadri here I have mentioned very clearly, ma. See, what is this? See, Simhadri, you got it? No. See guys, I'm covering, see, topic wise, I'm going to show you the syllabus. No need to worry. You are going to get the complete syllabus. What is all mentioned in the syllabus that I'm covering. Okay. And when it comes to the programming languages, we are covering here. We are covering here SQL. We are covering here Python. We are covering here PySpark. Yes. The people, see, I'll put it very clearly. I have mentioned very clearly one point here. What I have said, see, okay, if you are very new to IT industry, okay, you are new to IT industry, you are a fresher, then this course is relevant for you. This course is relevant for you. Please see this point. And the people who are already working, see what I'm saying here, the people who are already working in any of the backend technologies. Okay, any of the backend technologies. Then for them also, this course is relevant for them. What is this backend technologies? Backend technologies means people who are working as database engineers, people who are working as informatica engineers, people who are working in BI tools, okay, BI tools, people who are working in data analytics. Freshers, if you don't know all these things, especially I'm pointing to freshers here. Freshers, if you don't know all these technologies, leave it, leave it. You are a fresher, so this course is relevant for you. And the people, experienced professional who are already working in backend technologies like Informatica, BI tools, data analytics, kind of, then for them also this course is relevant. Then for them also this course is 100% relevant. Then for whom this course is not relevant? For whom this course is not relevant? This course is not relevant for, okay, this course is not relevant for people, okay, this course is not relevant for the people who are working on front-end technologies. Who are front-end technologies people? Like, HTML developer, Java developer, .NET developer, okay, and CSS and HTML here only it comes. CSS or HTML, React.js, and the people who are working on containerization technologies. For such people who are already started their career, who already started working, for them, for such people, this course is not relevant. This course is not relevant. For freshers, 100% this course is relevant. And for the people who are already started working in any of the backend technologies, then for them also this course is relevant. For the people who are working on front-end technologies and all, for them this course is not relevant at all. Okay, guys. So please focus on these points. These points I have mentioned here. Syllabus I'll definitely cover. And the last and very important request, I'm just mentioning here. Okay. Everything will take care of, guys. Will take care of. Okay. Just one single thing, just one request we are having is be regular to classes. Be regular to classes. This is going to be very, very important for us. If you are not regular to classes, then, we cannot help you out. Okay. We are ready to tell you one concept multiple times. Okay. After 1 hour of daily class, We'll take up the question and answer sessions on daily basis. Okay. Here, whatever the doubts you are having related to the labs, related to material, related to your practice, related to yesterday's class errors, what you are getting, every single thing I can cover. I can help you out. But if you are, 1 day present, 2 days absent, 2 days present, 1 day absent, 1 day present, 1 day absent, then Naresh IT is helpless. I am helpless. Everyone is helpless, I'm telling. Please be sincere. If you are serious, then please keep all these points in your mind. Okay. Is that fine, guys? Is that clear? MuleSoft, Santosh, MuleSoft is what? It's this technology deals with data only, right? Uh, Sanket, Spring Boot and AWS. Why you want to switch over? Tell me. Guys, please, now I'll give the time for you to put the questions. Please remember here, don't ask me any questions which I have already covered in these points. Please, don't ask me the questions which I have already covered in these points. The questions apart from these points, if there is any, then you can ask me. Please. Okay. Is that clear? All right. No, automation testing. Deepak, you are having experience in automation testing. So you are from testing field, right? So I won't misguide you here just to enroll. Okay. I'll just be very clear and frank with the students. If you are already working, you have started your career as a testing field on automation and all, then this course is not relevant for you. Oracle application, is it helpful? No, no. Yeah. So month you would be getting the material in one shot. In one shot only, you are going to get the complete material. Okay. And what the topics have been taught, I'll just show you in the class itself only in the material. Okay. Harsha and everyone, please understand here. You guys are 60, I am 1. So I have to answer every single question who is being asked. If I'm missing any questions from someone, please don't mind. Okay, because I'm the only one answering the questions here. Might be the tsunami of questions are coming here. If I won't ask by any chance, don't take it in a wrong way. You can ask me again tomorrow. Again, ask me tomorrow. Okay, fine. Ganesh, the course fee and all, check with your admin. This is the first day today. You will come to know the course fees and everything by next week. Next week, you will come to know. Just enjoy the classes as of now. Okay. Leave about the fee and everything. Okay. No, Santosh, Azure subscription, you are going to pay the free Azure subscription, free Azure account. I don't want to talk on this right now. The people will get confused. Slowly, step by step, I'll proceed. Step by step, I'll go. Okay. So the people who are absolute beginner now, they will get confused. What is this subscription and all? Step by step, I'll just tell. Okay, Santosh, is that clear? No. That's that's I told very clearly in the beginning that we are going to cover Azure data engineering. We are going to cover this one. This one. Azure admin, we are not covering DevOps. If you want Azure admin, go and join Azure admin course. If you want DevOps, go and join Azure DevOps course. Okay. We are learning here Azure data engineering concepts. Please be clear, guys. Please. Topics to be covered, I am going to show in tomorrow's class. In tomorrow's class, I am going to show you in all the topics. You will be getting the Shivangi Singh. You will be getting the complete syllabus in tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Jaya Vardhan. Yeah. If you have just started as a fresher, then you can make a switch over, because the importance of Azure Data Engineer. See, I'll tell you. Okay. The importance of data engineer. Okay. Why data engineers are needed, how data engineers are critically important for any projects, for any project, why the organizations struggling the data engineers, why the organizations are struggling for data engineers. This all I'm going to explain. This all I'm going to explain in the upcoming classes. That's why I'm telling be regular to classes. Be regular to classes. All these things I'm going to cover slowly, step by step, one by one, step by step, I'm going to cover. Okay. If you have started your career just as a fresher, then of course you can learn this course. Already you are working in some technology from 3 4 years, and that is front end technology kind of what I have told, then this is not relevant. The people who are working as database engineers, data analytics, Tableau developer, or kind of ETL tools, SSIS, Oracle BI, not Oracle applications, Oracle BI, and SQL, SSIS, and all these things. Then for them, this course is relevant. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sanket, what is this? I want to do masters in data science. So I'm trying to switch from Spring Boot to data related field. Okay. So if your long-term vision is to do data science now, Sanket, then I would say yes, go ahead, not a problem. Okay, because when you are working as data scientist, you should be knowing every single thing end to end. Okay, how data is getting prepared, how the data is getting fetched from the source system, how the data is getting loaded, how we are processing, loading, transforming the data, everything you should be knowing it, Sanket, so you can join it, no problem. Okay. Kiran Kumar, I am currently working as a database engineer. I am looking to upgrade myself, as we have seen there is a tough job market with only database engineer. Do you suggest this course and anything else with this? Kiran Kumar, I have just told Nama. I told Nama. Clearly, I have mentioned Nama. See what I have mentioned. Clearly, I have mentioned that if you are working as database engineers also, then definitely this course is relevant for. Why are you asking the same question again? Harsha, what is this question? Sir, I have worked in Wipro for 2.52 years. Yes. Career gap, if there is any way to cover the 2 year gaps in interviews. Okay. Yeah. See these career gaps and all, Harsha, I'll just guide you in the later classes. Like, when you guys are getting ready for the interviews, on that time, I'll give you some nice tips and tricks. I'll give you some nice tips and tricks to cover these career gaps. Okay, especially for ladies. Okay, this will be very good points. I'm having it. I'll just cover this at the end, Harsha. Okay, what career gaps, if you're having, how you can recover this in your interviews and all. Okay. Okay. What is this, Pradeba? Pradeba, what is this question, ma? What is the difference between data engineer and data engineering? Yeah, it's same only. In data engineering, in Azure data engineering, you are going to work in all cloud computing. Pradeba, you are going to work in all the cloud computing. Okay. In data engineering, might be you are using some traditional tools, but in Azure, you are going to learn, you are going to work everything with all latest technologies, latest tools that do in cloud computing. Is that clear, Pradeba? Shalini, sir, is certification included with training? Pardon me if I have asked that question again. No. Certification, see, Microsoft certification is external certification. If you want to take Microsoft certification, then you have to pay the amount separately. If you need Naresh certification, Naresh ID certification, if you need, then your attendance will be checked. If your attendance is more than 80% to all the classes, then Naresh ID certification will be given to you. Okay. If your attendance is less than 80%, then they might not give you the certification, because we don't want to give certification people to anyone who has just get enrolled. Your attendance is compulsory. Okay, fine. Sandeep, is this class is relevant to SQL database DB, and I'm having 6 years of experience in Azure SQL database. Yes. Yes, Sandeep, I have told this already. Don't ask me the repeated question, please. Santosh Kumar, planning to migrate to Azure Data Engineering. Okay, fine. This is good. Migrating of the data, see, hold on, guys, hold on. I'll show you the syllabus again tomorrow. Tomorrow, you are going to get what all the topics we are covering. Okay. Ayush, I am BCA student. Is this course is good for me? BCA. Okay. Yeah, of course. See, you are a fresher. Whatever the fresher you are, either you have done engineering, MCA, BCA, MBA, BCom, computers, BSc and all, this course is relevant 100%. Okay. Satya, currently I'm working as a mainframe developer. If I join this course, is it possible to change my career from mainframe developer to data engineer? Yeah, Satya, if you are interested to change your path, your field, your technology, it's okay for, but why do you want to change? Are you not doing well? Or are you not enjoying the job? Are you finding it difficult to work as mainframe developer? What is the purpose that you want to change? That is what my question is. See, see, guys, I'll tell you one thing. See, initially I started working my career as a initially I was a database developer. Okay. Now database developer is very old technology, very old technology. And there are millions of people who are working on old and traditional technologies. Old and traditional technologies. Like, what is old and traditional technologies? DB developer, okay, BI developer, right? Informatica developer, data stage, data stage developer, okay, and database administrator, Oracle, okay, Oracle, BI, etc. These are very old and traditional technologies, guys. Okay, I have started my career with BI developer, then I be a database developer, then I became a BI developer. BI developer means what here? Many things comes. Okay, SSIS, SSAS, SSRS, etc. So what I have done, I have upgraded my skills, because Azure Data Engineering is the one where we are working in all cloud services, in all cloud services. So what I have done, after 9 years of experience, after 9 years of experience, I started learning Azure Data Engineering. After 9 years of experience, I started learning Azure Data Engineering. So guys, there is a scope. Always there is a scope if you are really willing. Okay, if you are really willing to learn anything new, then there is always a scope. Don't be in an impression that, I'm having 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience. I don't want to learn. Don't learn. No problem. You will be lag behind. You will be lagging behind if you are not learning new things. Okay. If you are learning new technologies, new things, then you will get 120% hike, 120% hike in your salary. Okay. Who don't want the money, yeah? Everyone wants money only, right? Why you are learning this technology? Why you are joining this course? Because you should have some market relevant competency so that the companies will give you a good package, good salary, good hike in your salary. If you are a fresher, you will get good salary. If you are already a working professional in some technology, upgrade your skills. So what will happen here? In your current salary, you will get good hikes because there, there are very less people. There are very less people in the market, okay, in the market who knows Azure Data Factory, who knows Azure Databricks, who knows Azure storage solutions, okay, who knows, okay, database migrations in cloud, who knows data migrations in cloud. These are very new latest things. These are very new latest technologies that we are going to cover. Azure Synapse Analytics, analytics in cloud. Azure Stream Analytics in cloud. No people are in the market who knows all these technologies. If you say that you know these technologies, then you will get a very good salary hike, or you will get a very good package even as a fresher. 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs package, you will get it. If you do the same old .NET, Java, .NET, then you will get a salary of 1.52 lakhs per annum. If you do latest technologies, if you learn latest technologies, then you will get 5 to 6 lakhs as a fresher. Depends upon. Satya, same. Satya, my issue was also same, Satya, what you have told now, because the mainframe does not have much scope. Yes, that's very true. For that reason also, what I have done, I have upgraded my skills. I have upgraded my skills and now I am enjoying. Trust me. Yes. Murali Krishna, not ADF, ADB. We are covering many things in this course. You join the class tomorrow. I'll show the complete syllabus. Today was the first day. That's why I have not shown the syllabus, but I'll show it in the tomorrow's class. Yes, Manjula, 100% this course is helpful for you to take Microsoft certification, Manjula. Yes. Harsha, we are going to learn Azure Data Factory in deep. Just join the class tomorrow. You will come to know the complete syllabus, guys. I'm showing you the complete syllabus in tomorrow's class, what all we are topics we are going to cover. Okay. I'll give you the copy of the syllabus also. Okay. Is that clear? Yes, Rinku, I told very clearly, Rinku, if you are a fresher, okay, if you are not having any IT experience, okay, then 100% this is relevant for you. This I have told already in the points. Yes. Nikita, we are covering this topic. What you are saying now, merging of SQL and all these things we are covering. No worries. Okay. The course fee is 14,000 rupees with and without videos. Okay. So see guys, this is the first class. Leave about the course fee and all. Just attend the classes. Okay. Course fee and everything you will come to know slowly. No need to bother about the course fee and all. Just attend the classes regularly as of now. We'll see the other things later. All right, guys. Fine, guys. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to all of you. Okay, we have done with this demo class today. Okay, we are having class again same time tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. IST. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to show you the complete syllabus of this course, what all the topics we are going to cover. Okay. Okay, so I'm good to close the class now, guys. Is that good? Yeah, all right. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. We'll connect again tomorrow, same time. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Take care.